Hello and welcome to Digital Homework. Today we're going to be looking at frequency adverbs or adverbs of frequency, whichever way you look at it. These are examples: always, usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, never. So we say pause the video, have a little look at the frequency adverbs. They're all kind of color coded as well to help you. Let's have a little look at the first slide. Two people over there, they. Yeah. So if you look, we got the color, we got the air. They. What do you think? Rarely, usually, often. Yeah. So yeah, maybe often.